Randy attacked the Slinkies. Oh. Jesus Christ.
There's a slinky in the kinky.
It's a kinky slinky.
Did you mess up my Slinky?
No, we can fix it.
What'd you do?
I can make it better.
Randy broke it. No, we can fix it. This is how you do it.
I think I'm going the wrong way.
Ah!